Okay, so I want to tell you something about anti-aging and what many people on TikTok, on social media recommending a lot of retinols, a lot of antioxidants, a lot of laser treatments, a lot of exfoliating acids. Stop it. Stop it, stop it, stop it. I am a esthetician for 12 years right now. I own beauty brand. I worked on thousands and thousands people faces. I have my own experience. And if you want to save your skin, if you really care about the health of your skin and not only have a tight skin like this, listen to me. Stop using all these exfoliating acids and retinols and lasers and antioxidants, harsh antioxidants like L-ascorbic acid every single day is going to thin your skin, is going to sensitize your skin. It's possible that you're gonna develop chronic skin issues, even acne, rosacea. You're going to have sensitive skin. You can get melasma. It's serious how much people doing a lot of harm to their skin in order just to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. It's okay to have wrinkles. It's okay to have fine lines. It's okay to be you. Yes, take care of your skin. Yes, use antioxidants. Yes, use microneedling tools, which is actually really my favorite beauty product or beauty tool is microneedle tool. Derma rollers, real needle derma rollers. We need to understand the skin. It's an organ. It's not some random, piece of paper. It's the skin. It is an organ. It has limits. It has oil protective barrier that actually protects. We always stripping, removing, scrubbing, exfoliating. We need to understand that the skin is an organ. It has to be hydrated. It has to have a natural oils. It hydrates us. It protects us. Our skin is pH is very acidic to protect from the environmental damage. We need to keep that oil as long as possible. Don't wash your skin 3 times a day. Just double cleanse at night is fine. Trust me, I have so much experience. I'm just willing and wanting and sharing this information to protect your skin. It's okay to be you. Work on your confidence. Work on your mindset. Love yourself.